Good evening, everyone. So, we will be practicing the first test in the battery of GTO series. That will be group discussion. Here on, I will be giving you two topics. The topics will be having some leads. Remember, all the leads are correct up to some extent. So, there is nothing right or wrong. You can look for any lead among the given leads. But before that, I will be giving you 2 minutes of time to select one topic out of these two, which topic you would like to discuss. My first topic will be, since we all know after the abrogation of Article 370 in Kashmir, we had seen some changes over there. So, what is the biggest advantage in the area after abrogation of Article 370? Is it controlling the terrorism? Is it boosting the tourism? Or is it promoting the industrialization in the region? My second topic is, which is the biggest disadvantage of social media? Now, the people are generally familiar and social media plays a vital role in our life. So, which is the biggest disadvantage of social media? Is it privacy concern like your personal data? Is it spread of misinformation? Or is it addiction of social media and time consumption? I will be giving you 2 minutes to decide one topic out of these two. Okay. So, you all have decided to go for the second topic, that is disadvantage of social media. I will repeat the topic once again for you. What is the biggest disadvantage of social media? Is it privacy concern? Is it spread of misinformation? Or is it addiction to the social media and time consumption? I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a conclusion. Your time starts now.
Misleading information is the disadvantage of social media because it's
Gentlemen, I should think that I believe that social media major concern is about its privacy. Nowadays, we all have phones, we all have computers, and the data is more important in today's world. Today, it is known as data. Information is the new wealth, because in this call, we all know that information, by keeping this information close to the other companies, the hacker or the other companies can generate money, and the money is now wealth that which all belongs to and all are wanting to get. That's why the privacy, which were already, that's why DigiLocker also has came like this only. The documents which are uploaded in the forms of photos or in the forms of documents in the phone is hacked and the documents will be leaked.
We will reach a step over 80. But all 3 points have some positive aspect in them. But the major concern should be the addiction and time, the time like of that task. So privacy is in our hand because we enable those apps or we enable those websites to access our data. But and second thing is authenticity. We come across those sites. WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp message, WhatsApp news, and those contacts are in our contact list. But time and that addiction of social media.
As you said that they are in our hand, so time and addiction is also in our hand. How much you use, that is our addiction, and how much you use, that's in your hand only.
If the person is wasting his or her time on the like social media accounts, and if he's not indulged in like such these activities, like he's not wasting his time on like social media accounts, and he's just not then it can be like his privacy data cannot be misused, and we can relate all the other 2 points from the third point also. So totally agreed with the third number.
Social media is just like a coin which have two faces, is pros as well and as well cons as well. So I think in my point of view, the addiction will be the more serious, because if we are addicted to the social media, as we all know that the social media is a good source of information and a good source of connectivity as well. But if we are using in a very bad manner or very
No, it will not.
After 2019, 4.8 billion people are joined the social media, and even those a person who is living in a home, they talk to each other. They do not talk to individually or to face them individually. They message through WhatsApp or Instagram, and they talk to each other. So this type of addiction, and they consume their time.
It's a big source of misinformation. As people on social media are trying to manipulate the speech given by the great leaders and the other news. Like we have all seen that the speech of the Joe Biden and Vladimir Putin has been changed by the use of the fake AI, and they all change the thoughts and try to create conflict among the world, and the people who do not know about the AI think that the news is real, and they thought that he is speaking wrong, and this creates misconceptions in the society as well.
I totally
It
agree
also
with
creates
because
the loss of image, loss of productivity of the social media. It creates the numerous disadvantages to the social. It also creates the bad impact on the political view, social view, and economical view.
I totally agree with chess number 76.
But we are addicted towards those informations which we are getting. It is we who decide whether these informations are authenticated or not.
Yeah.
So as we all agree with the situation that it is addictive.
in my
So
opinion,
what we could do of the situation?
the misleading information
The misleading information is the main reason from.
Misleading of the information is the main
Yeah,
reason.
as from the given example, you can see that
Because it also affect the mental health also.
like the misleading.
The social media was made for the connectivity purpose, but still now we are connected with the persons. If we are using the social media to a very far extent, and we are disconnected with our relatives, with the friends. Just now we are
Adding, I totally agree with chess number. भाई को सुन तो ले यार. अबे कोई तो सुन लो.
Every youth see reels every time, chatting with friends.
I don't think the chess number 52. Social media has a huge impact on our personality as well. In earlier times when we do not have social media, we go outside, we meet people, and we create our social circle. But since the social media was introduced, we always stay on the home and we try to connect people online. So our communication skills became worse and worse, and we are trying to, and our body language became nullified, and we do not know how to talk, how to
I totally agree with the chess number 162, as before he said that the misinformation was the major role. Like one of the example is famous for it. Like you must have listened about the Rahul Gandhi. His famous statement was like this: एक side से हम आलू डालेंगे, दूसरी side से सोना निकलेगा. Like this showed the defame. I think that you must have not be familiar with that. The correct statement was that कि हम यहाँ से आलू डालेंगे, वहाँ से सोना निकलेगा. ऐसा मोदी जी का कहना है. So I think that in social media can be used to defame the political party also. Like it can be used for the misinformation also.
And we are connecting to the social media, but we are not going outside. We are not playing any outdoor games, and the impact of this, we are going with the strain, eye problems, and the depression also.
Yeah, we can include many reasons.
1999, the youth lost their jobs, their unproductive workplace due to excessive use of social media. And if we talk about children, they spend more time, and it affects the mental ability of their children, and it affects our Indians.
That social media is only concerned over the addicted one. But I think that addicted people are the only young ones, as you all know that. But
So finally, if we will not be addicted, if we will not use the Instagram, if we will be at the time limit, then we can be like throughout from those two factors also. Like there will be of misusing of the information, and the privacy will not be get leaked. So I think that if he is not indulged at the activities, then how can we believe?
Points that we choose. The
Third
first aspect we choose, second aspect, or third aspect.
Like-
let us be more clear by discussing the solutions of those problems. Then we could be more clear about is it the third situation or second or first?
In my perception, privacy is not the main concern because
What will be the solution of that?
as
We should implement more like more something more security, like it should be there, like time limit should be there.
It could be handled.
Yeah, it could be. I think like
First of all, we should have the self-control in ourselves.
Yes, yes.
Because if you are using any technology or any resource, we should use it in that optimum ways that it should benefit us, not become the boon for us.
we have also
Yeah,
controls over the social media. Since we install any app, it asks for permission. It is in our hand whether we provide the access to the app or not. So privacy, we can control our privacy. But if we are addicted to the app, we will spend most of the time on that app, and the app will automatically connect to our different apps, and it will try to predict our personality, like in Instagram.
I agree with Chess number 162. As he said, I would like to add some point that as we know, social media is the very effective medium to mass communication. And in my opinion, the second point is very valid, that social media is used to mislead the information very easily, because as we know, elections are going on in our country, and there is a recent incident that in West Bengal there is a local leader who was in the prison, and they were using the deep fake videos with the AI. The election campaign was going on.
So the solution to the misinformation is we do not depend on social media. We should go look for the original video,
We should look for the
legitimate sources.
We should keep
Like
it.
national media.
I think we should change our ID acts and some restricts.
yeah, restrictions should be more increased, and the privacy also needs to be improved more. Like
as far as
we should increase.
as far third point is concerned about the time and addiction.
Yeah, it could be more. Yes,
He should be the one who need to set the boundaries
Yes.
of our usage.
Yes, we can.
We can
Social media is
be dependent on the social media for the connection, for the connectivity, or for the mass communication.
For the solution
For
of
the
the third point,
for the information.
we can see
We can use that a primitive source of information, whether it is used
like newspapers.
But now it is the growing world, and people are totally dependent upon each, like on the social media. Through social media, none of them are going to being alive.
we
Like
can't see the information we are getting with the social media or authenticated or correct.
so, I think the restriction should be increased more, and the privacy should be
How we
increased.
can restrict anything? We can't restrict the people who are posting illegal
We can
videos.
make them-
Why don't we-
We can-
So we have always cross-verified the place that we are getting from the social media by using newspaper.
And as far as the application is concerned, it is dependent on us. At social media is a boon on us that will depend on us how we are utilizing it.
If we are aware, we will check for that information in more than one sources.
For the solution of addiction, we have a tool in our smartphone, that is the digital well-being. You can use it and it will be very effective for that to get rid of
There is a
addiction.
feature on the
Okay,
Android
gentlemen,
smartphone.
as you all concerned that the third concern is major concern of the social media.
Second,
concern is
third.
The time is addiction.
Majority of us given us the third
The
point.
solution to control addiction. That the Chess number 11 has said that there is a tool which include that the screen time and all that.
Yeah, there should be time limit.
There is a solution of that. Okay, so please tell me the solution of the first concern, that how it can be prevented from the privacy leakage.
First, we can use the authenticity. For example, like we can use the newspaper like Times of India. We can also see the news. For example, like the India TV.
With
and
sorry,
Ask
Chess,
Us.
this is the concern about privacy leakage.
With respect, I beg to differ
And we
that
can
we in
depend
the
on-
21st era we can't avoid the using social media, because we are
In the growing world, developing world.
But the major solution for this problem is the authenticity. We can download the app using authentic sources, and second thing we have to avoid the APK forms, and we have to visiting the
Many organization uses the third party authentication. Many organization uses some other permission to leak your other information, and you can't avoid that permission. You can't deny that permission. So how you
Every Android smartphone or any device on which we use social media have its own antivirus, which gives us warning time to time, but we ignore that. So we can't ignore. We can keep concerns. If he is showing any warning, we should look for it. What is that, and how we can solve
We
that.
can again find
we can-
alternatives of those apps.
Yes.
Whether it is a calling app,
I
we
totally
have
agree.
those alternatives. Whether it's a social media app, we again have the alternative. Whether it is the news app. We have our
See,
Yeah.
the privacy of the military also and major concern of the major company of the world. It is also there.
If
We
that
have
information
major
is
player.
if that information is related to military,
Anything.
then we shouldn't check on Wikipedia. It should be
Yeah.
it would be present on the government site.
This information is leaked from any official website through any hacker.
Okay, gentlemen.
It
Now
cannot be-
I think we should look for the first concern, the solution. What the government is doing for it, because as we know, the awareness about the IT sector and social media is very low in our country, and the people are taking advantage of it by
Crime,
cyberbullying.
cyber-
So we should look forward for the government what is
Harassment, bullying,
taking
yeah.
initiative for it.
Okay, stop your discussion. Now I will be giving you second topic, and the topic is in July 2024 we all know that we are set for Olympics, and in recent past we had seen a drastic change in the medal tally from Indian side. What you feel is the biggest reason behind the performance of Indian players in various sports? First, is it better infrastructure and facilities provided to the players? Second, is it higher and lucrative prize money provided to the players? Third, is it promotion of sports in India through various schemes like Khelo India?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
I will be giving you 10 minutes of time to go for a group discussion and look for a conclusion. Your time starts now.
Okay, so the topic is Olympics. So we are early we can see that we are not getting that much medals as we are the second most populous country in the world, but we are improving nowadays. Because I think in my point of view, the infrastructure is playing a very vital role in helping in India to get the medals. Because if infrastructure is there, our players, our sport persons can avail the opportunity to play and have the efficient ground and efficient facilities. By virtue of it, they can practice and they can become competitive.
I totally agree. In my perception, Khelo India had played a vital role in the improvement of medal tally. Because since the Khelo India scheme has launched by the government, every student, in every city, every student came to know that about sports, and they are encouraged to participate in that sport at school level, at college level, at district level. So people are getting more chances. So there is more chances to get selected, and we have the opportunity to select more talented players and train them more perfectly so that they could represent our nation.
I strongly agree with chess number 162. Earlier we used to have those cabinet, those authorities on the higher level which don't have experience about the grassroots implementation of those schemes. But in recent years we have seen the authorities which are there are ex-sports persons. So they know how these schemes are going to work in the grassroots.
The government schemes help many Olympic people who win the medal. They give the job opportunities after coming, and it's the very good steps for the people to encouraging in the sports. It gives them the job securities and also the chances to play future in the Olympic and the other international level of games.
Practice makes a man perfect. We all have heard that practice makes a man perfect. If we want to practice sports, then we need an infrastructure, that is ground, facilities, what should a sport person should get. If we are swimming on the infrastructure, that our players are getting the opportunity to practice more and more.
Infrastructure is good, so many players get the chance to provoke their ability. Earlier times, many players are there who are not able to get the sports, get into the field of sports, just because they are not getting the infrastructure or they are not getting the
we have in the top of the organization the experts person. Its impact we can see on the wicket, like when Sunil Gavaskar and Tata, we almost saw Ganguly, he became the president of Indian Cricket Association. So he changed some rules, like it made mandatory for the players to play Ranji Trophy. who are not playing international cricket or are not in the international sport. So this makes the player perfect and it plays a vital role in improving their skill sets. BCCI launches every year new contents in which they divide the country into grade A, grade B and grade C.
I totally agree with you. Because India has never lack of the talent. But India only needs the platform and the infrastructure for the showing that talent. So I think the Khelo India Games has done its very beautifully.
Yes,
Here in the case number 11, I want to add one point that the government aware and the government programs and the people are coming from the lower regions or the higher states. They are going in a very good way and they are also winning the match. For example, like if you take the example of the Neeraj Chopra, he is a good Olympian and he comes from the very weaker section, not from the weaker section, but from the where the people come very
Deprived
low.
section.
Okay, you are all saying that Khelo India is important, but the Khelo India is also required the infrastructure to play on. The ground is required, the coaches are required. So these are all infrastructure.
Khelo India is launched recently. Earlier it was not. Then also players are there to go there. Just like in 1983 World Cup cricket, how they can go and win the World Cup.
As
There
earlier said by the
infrastructure.
judge number 11, India is much more have talent, but there is lack of identification of that talent. People are very talented in India, but they do not get
And
opportunities
the
to show
Khelo
their
India can
talent
provide
at
that
the
platform to perform them.
These
So the identification must be
helps
necessary.
us to identify their talent
Yes.
and also motivate them to come forward and apply to those schemes.
I agree with the gentleman. Khelo India schemes. And any school, colleges level, the platform is available and infrastructure facility are available, and the student participated in huge mass opportunity, and they participated in a school level, inter-school level, district level, inter-district level.
Judge number 136, in my perception, the great boost in medal tally, there are two main factors: infrastructure and the schemes launched by the government. If there is no infrastructure, the scheme is useless because players do not have well grounds to play. And if there is infrastructure and we do not have schemes, so we are
We
unable
have
to
majority of players who are interested in cricket, and that's why we have these numbers of stadiums in our country. But do you know any athlete who's of steeplechase? Because it's not popular, so we don't have those.
I slightly agree with the gentleman, but since there are persons have interest in every field, but cricket is very much well known because children is
So if we would have those numbers, then this will force the government to build the infrastructure because we have those numbers, we have that requirement.
So ultimately the result is for
Infrastructure.
infrastructure.
We have that manpower, so they have to make it.
Don't
So
have
how
the
we
talent.
find the talent?
Just like 162 has mentioned that India is not lacking with the talent. Because if you see the data, India have won near about 25 Olympic medals. Out of these, near about 17 or 18 medals are won by our hockey team. So it is not about the people or talent. It's all about the infrastructure is important.
Recently, I will say about the data. In the Para-Olympic Games held in China, we had the 4th position. And the Asian Games in Hangzhou, we had the 5th position all across the world. So it is that just like that earlier we don't have this much position.
I totally agree with the judge number 280. Since news channels also plays a vital role. Since we open news channels, there is news of politics, there is news of something other, but there is no news about games, how the players are doing well. There is no appreciation for the players. But in the past few years, we can see there are more people who appreciate their efforts since we are winning medal or not. But the team is appreciated well. Like in the previous World Cup, India lost the finals. But our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi goes itself to meet the team and boost their morale. So they played well and they prepared well for the upcoming T20 World Cup. So I think we win medal or we won't win medal. It doesn't matter. But we boost the morale of the team. We encourage them to play well.
The appreciation
Appreciation
is
plays
also
a
important.
role.
In my opinion, why Khelo India played a vital role, because if we talk about the infrastructure, yes, in cities the infrastructure was available, not of that much, but it was available. So the athletes or the players coming from the rural background not that much recognized by the everyone. So Khelo India games gives them a platform to perform and.
In my opinion, infrastructure is more important because if there were more infrastructure and facilities for players and youngsters, then they can do more practice and practice becomes a man perfect.
Gentlemen, so I think we all are
going
we
to-
can
Infrastructure and the infrastructures are the two factors that will develop the Khelo India and boost the peoples to
So
become a
gentlemen,
sports
as I can see
person.
that we all are going with the infrastructure on the first priority and the government schemes on the second priority. So in my opinion, government should work on the firstly infrastructure and then provide the quality.
Okay, stop your group discussion now. See, overall, you people need to improve little bit in terms of facts and figures. Your discussion part is lacking facts,
Yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
So, though you have knowledge, you know the advantages, disadvantages, but up to what extent? What are the recent datas? है ना? You too know that way. If like you talk about the first topic was social media, right? So we all know that the total population of India is 1.44 billion. ठीक है? Out of which I believe 48.4% is female and 51.6% of Indian population is male population, and 36.6% is urban population in India and 63.4% is rural population in India, right? The use of the social media in India specifically, if we say, it is 462 million, which is almost 32% of the total population. 32%. And if we see the mobile use in India, out of 1.44 billion, 1.12 billion mobile users are in India.
Yes, sir.
Now, by the use of this, अगर आप देखते हैं कि जो मोबाइल यूजर्स हैं, अगर उनके हिसाब से देखोगे तो सोशल मीडिया, अगर उसमें से स्मार्टफोन की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो 78% लोगों के पास स्मार्टफोन्स हैं 1.12 बिलियन में से, विच इज हाईएस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशो. अगर हम बात करेंगे तो इतनी बड़ी रेशो में इंडिया में सोशल मीडिया चलता है. अब कोरिलेट करो इस बात को कि अगर हमारा 63.4% पॉपुलेशन रूरल एरियाज में रहने वाला है, जिसको जानकारी उतनी ज्यादा नहीं है. अगेन व्हेन वी से द लिटरेसी रेट इज 72.6% ऑफ इंडिया, द ग्लोबल लिटरेसी रेट इज 86%. So 76 already we are lacking somewhere in terms of literacy, and 63.4% lives in rural background or rural areas, and 78% of smartphone people are using social media. It means the misinformation which can spread easily, है ना? So if you would have added these kind of facts, आपकी बात को ज्यादा वैल्यू मिलती ग्रुप के अंदर, right? If we talk about Olympics, so 2024 Olympics, भाई आप लोग क्रिकेट में चले जाते हो, ज़्यादा आपने 3-4 बार आप क्रिकेट की तरफ ले गए बात को. क्रिकेट इज नॉट द ओनली गेम इन इंडिया, देर आर अदर गेम्स ऑल्सो. इन ओलंपिक्स इफ विल से जुलाई में ओलंपिक्स है, दैट विल बी इन पेरिस, एंड इंडिया इज वेरी मच सेट फॉर दैट. वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ बेटर परफॉर्मेंस बाय दिस इंडियन कंटिजेंट. Gone are the days when in 1952, the first personal medal by any Indian was won in 1952. K.D. Jadhav, that was a bronze medal, and it was a great achievement. Later on, we had to wait for a longer time for individual medal in Olympics. Today India stands at a stage where we have 10 gold medals, 9 silver medals, 16 bronze medals, total 35, and 16 medals are won after 2008 Olympics. Right? See the change. Now what are the possibilities for that? If we say Khelo India was started in 2018. So we have to look for that. But at every world level competition or world tournament, Indian players have performed very well. Though let it be in archery, let it be in equestrian, and there are so many things, various sports where India was not standing anywhere, वहाँ बहुत अच्छे हो गए हम अब आ जा करके. ये जो वर्ल्ड कॉम्पिटिशन्स हुए हैं, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप्स, उनमें हमारा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा हुआ है ना. But the performance of Khelo India is still to be checked. Talking about Khelo India, it was started in 2018 and it is every year conducted in the month of January and February in 2 different categories, under 17 and under 21. Had you mentioned this? तुम्हें तो पता था, फिर क्यों नहीं बोले थे ग्रुप डिस्कशन में? है ना? Every year Indian government selects 1000 students in both categories and they are getting a scholarship of 5 lakh rupees per year for next 8 years. See how much we are spending on sports now. 5 lakh rupees scholarship for next 8 years to explore at international standards. So these are few things which you can add. But उसके लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा बेटा. पढ़ोगे नहीं तो कैसे चलेगा काम, है ना? How many of you watch IPL? देखते हो, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, मैं भी देखता हूं. लेकिन उस IPL के बीच में रेगुलरली ऐड आता रहता है. इंडिया इज सेट फॉर ओलंपिक्स 2024 पेरिस. कीप वॉचिंग जियो सिनेमा. आता है? तो यार देखने के बाद आपके दिमाग में आया नहीं कि यार चलो IPL तो एक तरफ, ये भी तो आ रहा है, ये क्या है? ओलंपिक्स इंटरनेशनल इवेंट है, 4 साल बाद आता है. भारत ने क्या किया इसमें? अब हम कैसे ज्यादा ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो गए? क्या देखेंगे जियो सिनेमा पे हम? भारत की हार देखेंगे या जीत देखेंगे? जीतने वाले कौन कौन से वो चेहरे होंगे यार, उनको जरा देख लेते हैं, इसके अंदर ढूंढ लेते हैं. क्या है इंडियन कंटिंजेंट में, कौन कौन जाने वाला है, कौन लीड करेगा, क्या इसका मैस्कट है? बहुत सारी चीजें हैं पढ़ने के लिए, मगर वो ऐड देख करके छोड़ दिया क्योंकि हमारा दिमाग तो IPL में उलझा हुआ है. ठीक है? अवेयरनेस. वी कम अक्रॉस सर्टेन थिंग्स बट वी फेल्स टू लर्न आउट ऑफ इट. सीखना है उन चीजों से. ठीक है?